Hey. Hey. How many times you gonna tell these niggas, man? 600 goons. I put that on everything, nigga. We all ride. P-Gang music. 600 goons. Yeah, you already know what it is, nigga. We at the Summerfest right now. Sound check. You see, it's crazy. P-Gang in here.
Kilo. Like I said, we have rehearsals and shit.
Yeah.
Got your boy Aceface, LV.
Sound check, Aceface, LV, P-Gang, you already know. Shout out to Kilo. Skin, you already know, nigga. Hey, yo, listen, nigga, we about to shut this shit down, nigga. Hey, yo, words boy, I went on Twitter this morning. All I see was that Kilo and Aceface on the down Pacific.
Yeah.
You know y'all had to get this clip real quick, you feel me?
We working.
Niggas about to body this shit tonight,
We working.
We getting like, look at the Look, he wanted to leave. Look, he gonna do all this extra shit. Maxout, we maxing out, nigga. You already know.
Shout out to Maxout, man. We on it, man.
Don't get no doper than me. Pure, excuse fee. I'm hotter than summer heat. Please forgive me for my ways. I hate me for being me. Want me to lose? See me at a dead end. Yet I'm walking on this border like I died for your sins.
Shout out to Shamai Rattel, the best R&B voice in Lang City, you already know.
My nigga.
Oh shit, yeah, yo, get my nigga all up in the footage, man. You gotta leave in the building with these tracks. See, easy all coming through, everybody in. Real MMG. Hey, yo, it's about to be crazy, man. We maxing out, nigga, y'all already know. We need a beat, go holla at this man.
You already know.
You need a hit, go holla at this girl, you feel me? And if you want some shit, just come holla at H. You feel me?
Let's do it, my nigga.
We maxing out.
That's what I said.
In the building.
Legendary.
Yeah, these are
Somebody said that's the hottest nigga out right now. Right there.
We celebrating your funeral. Put that toast in your face. I put that thing in your face. Pussy. Yeah, I put that thing in your face.
Blaze.
Bah.
Yeah, me and LV got 600 grand. Started out.
Nigga, we maxing out all the time, nigga. Right now, it's the sound check the motherfucking Soundcast Stadium. You know what I'm saying? We about to hold this shit down for Jersey. You already know I got some lighter in the building. I got team in the building. Bushy Blades, LV, Big Shot. I got everybody out here. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the nigga Kilo. Shout out to everybody that's about to do their thing. You already know. Shout out Grace Entertainment. You already know. Shout out the whole family. P-Gang about to hold it down, man. Niggas know already. Maxing out. Shout out what it do, man. Shout out the new bomb over there, cool and cut.
I do my time in your section on it. One nation, underground. AC been getting money from the fucking start. Two strats, hating niggas getting murdered, Now you feel me when you picture on the shirt, 20 times so my niggas get to work, Rest in peace to my niggas in the dirt, Two strats, hating niggas getting murdered, Now you feel me when you picture on the shirt. 50 carats in my ears, I feel like a boss. Next chillin', rich chillin', bitches waiting out.
Yo, listen, it's like 4 o'clock doors open in like an hour. Listen, we be grinding, niggas be up all night, all day grinding, going hard. My man's telling me he's about to leave and go somewhere like an hour away and thinking he's gonna make it back before time to get on the stage. That was never happened. All over some Louis shoes. He wants some Louis slippers. And his name Gucci Blade.
He said we was gonna buy some new ones at the pit.
I'm saying, you know, niggas can do that type of shit, but that's the way the break. We about to make it break. Look out there. Take a look out there. See how much seats is out there empty right now. People else gonna play cool over there.
That's another right. Pfg'S, that's another right. LV, that's another right.
They asking Blaze, how you living? Tell them I'm chillin'. I got my hand on the gat. I see these niggas grillin'. One scrap with your teeth, going need some filling. I pray to God, Lord, forgive me if